HSTs and TNT. It's rare. Hello guys, welcome to the latest video from TFT, 31000. And today we are at Bristol Temple Meads on the start of the Exeter to Bristol line. So, and also the Great Western Main Line. Here is 158957. Unfortunately, it's my stalker. This will be forming the service to Cardiff Central. This is the Portsmouth Harbour train, I believe. Or the whatever service it is. So, you're going to be seeing service from Great Western Railway, cross country, and some freight. Over there is 43025 or 43035, leading the service to Bristol Temple from London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads. So, as that's all off through, let's see what's on offer at Bristol Temple Meads. Let's get started. Okay, arriving in now is going to be a Class 158 from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. Great 110. Oh no, it's 961, it's my stalker. Why?
Customers are required to hold buttons and trams for boarding trains.
Okay, prepared to depart, it's 158957 with the service to Cardiff Central. Get a little low shot here. For Cardiff Central. This probably will be back later on today. Hold on. Okay, arriving in now, so we've got Class 150-1 for Western 2 from there.
Parson Street, Nailsea and Backwell.
Also arriving in is the Voyager.
Western Milton and
15122.
This train has two
This is a security message. If you see something,
there's a 220 Voyager.
61016. Wheel sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
Okay, arriving in the distance. It's going to be a Class 152. As prepared to depart is 221 109. I think this is a new train. I have no idea. One 5234. Actually is on the other side. From 7 Beach to 78 here. Okay, departing now is 43065 with 135 on the rear for forming the service to London Paddington.
The train at platform 5 is the 1236 Great Western Railway service to
Also today as I was arriving in I saw 43187 again,
at Lawrence
but
Hill,
there's a
Stapleton
twist.
Road,
They were back to back.
Redland, Clifton Down, Sea Mills, Shirehampton and Avonmouth. This train has 2 coaches. Platform 5 for the 12:36 Great Western Railway service to Avonmouth via Clifton Down.
As you heard, that service is going for Avonmouth. Not the HST, of course. Okay, 152.234 has been given the clearance to go on a green signal, and she's wearing to go now. So, as I say that, now departing is 152.234 with the service to Avonmouth. We got two services arriving in. We got 158961 departing, and we got 158798 arriving in with the service to Taunton, I think. As 158961 departs as well. Great 210 and away from River Line. Great Malvern, not whatever I said. I said Portsmouth Harbour, didn't I? Yes, I did. Driving in over there is a Voyager from Exeter St David's to Manchester Piccadilly. And hold on, never mind. From here, which is going to be turning around. This is my train. Okay, I'll get this in a minute. Alright, arriving in on the other side on platform 3 is going to be a Class 150 double 150s. Please be 152.66. I like 266. And it is 263. Oh, hello. You've got a 221, 221131. This is for Plymouth from Edinburgh. Well, no, it's got red on the front of it. That one does. In the middle part. Okay, prepared to depart is 152.63 with the service to, where is it, Bristol Parkway. with 150. This is 152.65, I think. Yep. Okay, now approaching this is a 151, no, 152 to Taunton.
Platform 10 from the 12:54 Great Western Railway service to Taunton.
Great 210 and a wave. Okay, arriving over in the distance is the Class 43 HST. from London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads, which is here. This is 43138.
Platform 5 for the 1300 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Birmingham New Street. Calling at Bristol Parkway.
Alright, and the rear of this will be
Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train has 5 coaches. First class is at the front of the train.
And the rear of this is going to be 4303079.
100 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Birmingham New Street.
Okay, preparing to depart is 22004. No, I forgot what the number of this train was. Oh, it's 128. Anyway, preparing to depart is for 221128, leading the service to Manchester Piccadilly via Birmingham New Street. As you can tell, I'm stuttering because it's a bit cold out here and hot at the same time. Off she goes. Nope, 220124. It's 221. Bit of flag there. Okay, passing through now, we got our first freight train of the day. It's going to be a Class 66. We got a Class 66 for, hold on. This is running a bit late. $66,087. Oh, hello, we got Class 150. Off she goes. And stopped again. Okay, preparing to depart at 66087. It's being single yellow. Off she goes.
Platform 5 for the 1321 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. calling at
I said this is top and tails.
Patchway,
Buses will replace
7
trains
Tunnel
between
Junction,
Reading and Hayes
Newport
Harlington
and
until 9 a.m. on
Central.
Sunday the
This
23rd
train
of
has
April
2
due to faulty
coaches.
engineering work.
Platform
Please
5,
visit gwr.com for more
13,
information.
21, Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central.
Nope, never mind, it's not top and tailed. Very slowly. Those wagons are MRA wagons, they are.
GWR.
Calling at
Okay, arriving in now is a Voyager.
Patchway, 7 Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff Central. This train has 2 coaches.
Oh no, it's 220, 220, no, it's a stalker. And after 66087 again. Damn you, 220, 220. Okay, and up in the distance is the dynamic duo. I had to let that in. Yeah, anyway, the 2153s just came in. They're following the service to Cardiff Central, and I catch that departing now in a minute. Okay, arriving in now is class 151 from I don't know where to terminate here, I believe. One 128. Wait, 110. Okay, 152.61 with a great 210 is now departing. The Tarka line, the first 25 years, 1989 to 2014. Now departing is the dynamic duo.
Platform 3 of the 1330 cross-country service to London.
153.380.
Parkway,
For the 1325 Great Western Railway service to Western Superfast.
Okay, now arriving here is class 150. Sorry, I said something wrong.
World, Western Milton, and Western Superfast. This train
Okay, for Hunter's Part, it's going to be 220.020 with another Voyager on the rear. That's one away from clearance still. Catching up on me is 153.63. That's my stalker now. off goes 43079 with... Oh, I got a sneeze coming. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I sneezed. Anyway, as I was saying, 43079 is off. But it says to London Paddington. And 43138 Trails.